we have multiplication of two binomials. Why? Because in the first parenthesis we have two terms and in the second parenthesis we have two terms. First we have to check if we don't have the same terms. But here we have 2.7x squared and 3.1x squared. So these terms are different, and 3.5 and 2.ay, so we cannot use here difference of two perfect squares formula. So what we can do only, we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So we have 2.7x squared, we have to multiply by every expression in the second parenthesis. So let me rewrite this, will be 3.yx squared plus 2.8y, and next we have negative 3.5y. We have to multiply by every expression in the second parenthesis. So let me copy this. So now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. We have to distribute 2.7x squared over each term in the binomial. So will be 2.7x squared times 3.1x squared plus, because we have positive times positive is positive, 2.7x squared times 2.8y, and the same we have to do with the second expression. We have negative times positive. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So negative times positive is negative. And we have 3.5y times 3.1x squared. And we have negative times positive, so it's negative 3.5y times 2.8y. So this is equal 2.7 times 3.1, this is equal 8.37, and we have x squared times x squared, the same variables, so we copy variable x and we have to add exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus, and next we have to multiply first the numbers. 2.7 times 2.8, this is equal 7.56, and next we will put variables in the alphabetic order. So first x squared and y, we copy, and next we have negative sign. 3.5 times 3.1, this is equal 10.85, and we have y times x squared, different variables, so we have to copy variables and we will always write them in the alphabetic order. So first will be x squared and next y. And negative sign we have to copy. 3.5 times 2.8 is 9.8, and y times y is y squared. We copy the base y and we add exponents. When we don't have exponents, always invisible 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. The like terms are only 7.56 x squared y and negative 10.85 x squared y. We have the same variables, so these two terms we can combine. The rest we have to rewrite. So we have 8.37 x to fourth power we have to copy, and next we have to keep the sign of the larger number. So before 10 we have negative sign, so it will be negative, and now we have to subtract only the numbers and we just copy variables x squared y. 10.85 minus 7.56 is equal 3.29, and we just rewrite variables x squared y, and the rest we have to rewrite 9.8 y squared. Now we have different terms, so we cannot do here anything. This is my solution.